Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and in today's video I'm going to share a tip with you that you are going to absolutely love. So for those of you who are trying to make games like this, a 4 in a row or Connect 4, or maybe an articulation trial game, you need to be able to duplicate many items at one time. This is a huge pain, and if you've ever made one of these, you know how messy it can be. Okay, so for those of you who are brand new to making boom cards, when you make an activity like this or like this one, you need to have, 50 items, let's say, for example, of Christmas trees. So we want 50 Christmas trees. I'm going to have to duplicate it 50 times and then have to align all 50. It's a huge mess. So today we're going to learn how to do this in like 5-10 seconds, okay? So if you don't believe me, stay tuned. You're going to be able to learn how to do it. So we're going to grab our image, and we're going to grab a Christmas tree here. I hope you guys will ignore the little jingle bells in the background. That is my kitten trying to disturb the video. So we're going to size down our image and make sure it fits. We want to make it draggable for this activity, right? Because it's going to be one of the movable pieces. Now, what I'm going to do now is grab Caption Pick, which has turned into my favorite widget, and I'm going to delete everything inside of the container. So now we have an empty container, and what I'm going to do is click on my Christmas tree and do Command C, delete it, and click inside the box and do Command V. So when I put it in the box and I do Command V, again, it will give me duplicates all in the same spot. So I'm going to go 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now I have 10 in that box. I could do more if I wanted to. I'm going to get rid of that border. So we'll say none over here. And now I actually have 10 attached to this. So if I wanted 50, all I have to do is now click on the container and duplicate it. And now I have 20, and do it again. And now I have 30. Do it again, and now I have 40, and so on. Now this is also a really nice feature because let's say, I did not make my Christmas tree draggable, which has happened in the past. If that's happened to you, I'm so sorry. Leave a comment below. Let me know if it's happened to you too. It makes it nice because let's say I didn't make them draggable. Now I don't have to delete all 10. Now all I have to do is just delete that. That's it, right? So let me go ahead into preview and show you that there are multiple Christmas trees here. So we have multiple Christmas trees. There's probably just 40 now because I deleted that other container. But this is an amazing trick, and I am so happy I just figured it out. I hope it makes your life so much easier and your boom card creation so much smoother. So if you like this, give this video a like. Please share it with other creators who don't know about it yet. All right, I'll see you in the next video.